This is my pretty lady. She's so beautiful.
Chairs?
I didn't order them. They sent them to me. I just get stuff in the mail and make videos of it. That's all.
Oh my gosh.
You want to see what they look
We
like?
need new chairs. Yeah.
Pull that one out and I'll videotape you pulling it out. Let's see what they are.
I wonder if they're good. Really? You got this in the mail?
I got 2 of them.
We need new chairs, and this is exactly the ones that we like. Oh my gosh, I can't even believe it. Are you kidding?
Isn't that
really
awesome?
didn't order them?
I did not order these.
You gotta be kidding me.
They just showed up all the way from China.
Seriously?
Yeah. Let's take a look at them and see how beautiful they are.
Oh my gosh.
Would you sit down, please, and tell me what the experience is like?
Oh,
What do you think?
good. There's no bars, they're low, they're comfortable.
And look at that. There's the thing on the back.
They have a little holder for your drink here.
Oh, pull that thing off the edge.
Neat.
Get that off of there.
Oh, just protect them. Did you really just get these?
Just got them.
You're kidding.
Oh, they look fantastic. Oh my God.
Is that so funny that we need new chairs?
These are perfect. Did you tell somebody that we needed new chairs in
Did you buy
Atlanta?
them? Did you buy them? You really didn't. Oh, I can't believe it.
All right, so this is our new product. Check it out. It's Rio Beach.
Wow.
These are amazing. These are awesome, and we are definitely going to use them. We're going to take them to the beach, and
Can we
we're
put them
going
in
to.
the car now and bring them to the place?
Well, I guess we could do that, couldn't
Let's
we?
do that. I have to get the guac that I forgot and a test for Madison that I forgot. So I'm going to there right now.
All right, so let's get them out of the. We'll get them out of the boxes, and we'll take them to the beach. There it is. Look at that. Woo! Yes, sir, Bob. Bam. Ready to go. What do you think? We are beach goers. All right, I have to sit in it to make sure that it's good, because you know. Well, of course I do. Oh shit. Oh God. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Look, and it adjusts. You can lay back. Let me move it forward a little bit. Let's move it forward. So now look, I lift up the arms, and they go back, and you can lay back like that. And I think you can take this part here, and bring it out, and you can make like a, watch, show you. So now you can lay down, and you got a support here. You see? So if you look here, this is where you adjust it. And just to bring it up, you just go like that. And then you got a carrying strap too.
Right.
These are cool. Look at this.
I know, they go flat. Yeah.
And you got a little support thing there.
Yeah, I can't believe that. That's just crazy.
Damn, Bob's your uncle. We love them. We're going to take them to the beach. We'll do more. We're going to do more investigation when we go to the beach later today with these.